Hi guys, so today I have a what's in my bag video for you. I love watching a lot of these on YouTube, so I thought I would do it myself. I'll show you my bag. It's just a grey satchel. It's like this, has some gold hardware on it. And on the sides, it's from Oasis, and I got it a few months back, and it was €41. And it just has a long strap as well, which I always use the long strap. So I'll show you what's in it. I'll show you the side pockets first. Just this pocket. I have my keys. Just my Disneyland Paris keychain. My club card for Tesco. My Eiffel Tower. And I have my key to get into my building. I have my house key. And I have my letterbox key. Next I have my phone. Just sitting in here. It says I love cupcakes on it, which is true. Just my phone is in there. It's everything in that pocket. I'll show you the two side pockets here. I have some tissues, as it's nipple season again. I'll just have some tissues in there. I have 2 pens. I have some Polo mints. And I have some other sweets, in case I get peckish. They're just in there. And in the back pocket next to that, I just have 2 bracelets and 3 bracelets in there. So I'll show you the big pocket now. I have an umbrella, as it's starting to rain again, and it is Ireland, so it's always raining. So I just have that in there. I have a straw. I have my glasses case. My glasses in there. That. Just them in there. I have a notebook, which is why I have the pens. Just a notebook I write shopping lists in or things I need to get. So I have that in there. I have my wallet. I got this in Pennies, but it's a River Island wannabe, so no, it's from Pennies. It's only €6. So I have that. I have a mint. More sweets. I have my old phone case just in there. I have some sunglasses, which I don't know why they're in there. We have no sun. And lastly, everything I really need is in here. Just essential things. So I'll show you what's in here. I have a hairbrush with a mirror. I have some lipstick. I have a lip gloss. I have another lipstick. I have some Anadin. It's for headaches. I have a Pez, just a Yoshi Pez. I have another lipstick, just a MAC lipstick. It's called Milan Mode. That. I have a mirror, Hello Kitty mirror. I have some Elemis cleansing gel, just a tester, and a wipe. And I have a Boots 100 points. When you spend €5, I put that in there because I don't have to use it. By the 22nd, I have some Charlie Pink body spray. I have some more tissues. I have some more lip, just some Carmex. I have some body lotion, Britney Spears body lotion. This is very nice. I have some hand gel. I have 2 plasters. I have some hair ties and a bow for my hair and some hair clips, and I have some Q-tips as well. So that's everything in there, guys, and that's everything in my bag. That's everything in my bag. I know it's not a lot of things, but I thought I would show you what's in my bag. So I hope you enjoyed, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.